chance at opportunity. Everyone's why you get. Gotta keep your shoes laced up. Walk them miles a day. The clock's ticking, only have a few seconds left. Time's running out, ask yourself, where the hell do I go to next? That money, the fortune and fame, bitches are dollars you thinking you made. People look up to you, the ones that they fake. Fuck it, we all make mistakes. Finally see me running around, it's a brand new J.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Here I am, I'm back you guys. I know it's been a bit, but as I said in previous videos, I have been going through some health related issues with my back, and they have gotten to extreme measures now. So unfortunately I'm gonna have to get a lumbar spinal injection. Yeah, it's come to that. So this is the last step before actual back surgery is required. So let's hope this works. I will keep everybody posted, updated, but that is the reason that I have not been uploading, because I've been going through these health related issues with work and everything like that. It's hard for me to maneuver around, it's hard for me to be mobile. I can barely drive, you know, long distances. It has to be at short distances. It's just a lot going on right now. And but with that being said, you guys, welcome back. I love you guys, and got another video here for you. Before we start, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and major blessings to everybody. Let's get this video started, y'all. So before I show you guys the new Mini, like it says in the title, right? It's not clickbait or anything. Like I said, it's not a wrap. Just wanted to show you guys the R real quick, at least at this angle, because hopefully the R's reflection doesn't show it yet, because I don't want to reveal it. But as you guys know, this is the pride and joy for the channel, bro. Love this car. I mean, I plan to keep it for a very long time. I really just want to keep it in my collection, as opposed to, you know, selling it, getting rid of it, trading it for something else. I'd rather just keep it in the collection and then add something on top of it. Because the next goal is for this channel to have a third project car. So we're going to have the Type R, then we're going to have the Mini, which is the family car, but also that's going to have some mods done to that as well, because this time it's actually worth it. And I'll explain that in this video. But my ultimate goal, you guys, is to have a 3-car garage house. So therefore I can hold 3 cars in the garage, you know, and then obviously go from there. But yeah, here's the R. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the Mini. One moment, I'm gonna set it up on a different camera though. Much love. So here it is, guys. This is actually a 2022 Mini Cooper S. Still Countryman, but this time it's all-wheel drive. It's all 4. Still got the turbo, but I want to show you guys all the unique features for this edition, and the decision why I decided to trade in the 2019 for 2022. There's actually quite a few differences, and that's what we're going to talk about on this video. But as you guys can see behind me, the storm is just rolling in, so gotta try to get this done quick. I just got rain right there. But we're going to get it done, and yeah, here we go. Alright you guys, pick the GoPro back up. This is actually called the Carbon Chili Pepper Red Edition, and the different features from this one to the gray one I have, the 2019, well, you got the full night package, right? All the black accents, the black mirrors, the black door handles, the black roof, panoramic, everything like that. You got the smoked, right? British flag LED tail lights. All the emblems, excuse me, are blacked out, including the Mini, including the Countryman, and including the Cooper S. So that's a really cool touch. You got black accent down there by the exhaust, which you guys heard. Still have the same black wheels, the 18s, which I absolutely love. But this time, this one at least comes with Ventus S1 Evo 2s. So yeah, hand-cooked tires, I'll take them, you know. That's a 225/50 R18 right there. So that's pretty cool. There's the all 4 insignia, little emblem right there, all 4. Just so you guys know, it's all-wheel drive. Storm is coming in here. Full LED. I believe they're the mini matrix is what you call them, the added option with the executive package. So this car has the executive package, the signature package, the carbon leather package, the shadow line package. I mean, literally the damn thing is fully loaded, bro. Like, it just, I mean, look at the tint, ceramic tint it came with. So this lady, she's a very wealthy lady. She actually traded in this for an SQ5 RS. That SUV, that RS version from Audi. Yeah. So this only has 5,999 miles. And honestly, the deal we got, couldn't beat it. I know used car interest rates are pretty high right now, but honestly, mine's not even that bad. It's like a little bit over 5, you know, for 60 months. So did the same thing like I did for the 2019, so those 60 months. Payment is easy, payment's good. It's not bad for a 30, I think we got it 38,000, but it's a 2022, it's not a 19. So all right, anyways, enough talk about that. Let's show inside. As you guys can see, here's the carbon leather. I mean, this is, wow. It's like, it feels like a memory foam kind of thing. It's amazing how many BMW come up with their leather. This is real leather. It's the carbon leather package. Little insignia Cooper S there. That's cool. Got the, even the shadow line in here too. Look, in the interior. So, a little bit of chrome there. Comes with a Harman Kardon audio system. So I believe it's 12 speakers, 8 or 12 speakers, something like that. Not sure on the wattage. There's the new 22 shifter. Put the little red carbon thing back on there. I'll turn it on for you guys in a sec so you can see the screen. Obviously that's a 9-inch screen now, so man, I gotta hurry here. This storm is coming. It's always something when I'm doing a video, right? Always something. I'm telling you, bro, Arizona is crazy right now with storms. Okay, so look at the nice wheel here, right? We're gonna hit this switch. I'm gonna turn that down real quick. I'm gonna get copyright. But as you guys can see, look at, it's got the new digital gauge cluster right there, right? Has automatic climate control, which will come on now. There it is. See how it says, it just literally says auto right there. 64 degrees, it decides it wants to put on. I mean, that's crazy. I've never had a car that did automatic climate control based on the temperature outside. So I thought that's pretty cool. I really like minis, you guys, because they handle so incredibly well. Not everybody's a fan of mini because it's, oh, it's BMW, Jay, you have a Japanese car. But the ones who say that, have you guys ever driven one? I mean, honestly, straight up, like, look at this thing is going just crazy. Anyways, it is just an awesome car. I really like minis. Little calendar thing, you got the navigation, right? right here. So yeah, let's see if I can get some light on it here. It's getting a little dark, but as you guys can see, there's the navigation. It's got everything, man, and it's fully loaded. You know, it gets good gas mileage. 2332 is what the gas mileage is, and I think the car weighs at 3,700, 3,870 pounds, something like that. I'll throw it up here. I'll throw up the exact curb weight right here. But yeah, that's what that weighs. It's just got a lot of room, you guys, like for the kids and everything, you know, back here. 37.8 inches of leg room. The R is 35.9. So honestly, that does make quite a bit of difference. I mean, just like how many BMW does their upper part of the interior, their padding, it's just super soft. Like this is all soft here, you know. Some of it's hard, but a lot of it is just soft. Like, look at, you know. I mean, it just, there's so many options with Mini and BMW that I can't just say, oh, I only like Japanese cars. That's not true. You know, I started with German and European, so I might as well continue that legacy. But yeah, this is what's going on. You know, people may think it's crazy that I got another Mini, but I definitely have my reasons for it. We're going to do some mods to this one, such as an exhaust, an intake, some carbon fiber bits in the interior, probably put a tune on it, get some new wheels, make it look nice, real nice, and perform nice, you know, because this time, you guys, it's all-wheel drive, so it's going to hold the power down, and Mini has a seriously good all-wheel drive system. And especially for like the storms right now, like going on in AZ, I mean, this is where it's going to come in handy. And my R has a vented carbon fiber hood, you guys, so with all that being said, I don't want rain to, you know, I don't have to worry about rain coming in this hood, in other words. So there's just a lot. It's got the heated seats, you know, as you guys can see, 3-stage heated seats, automatic climate control, just like I said, dual climate, has the AC in the back, which I'll show you guys in a sec. And yeah, there's just a lot going on with the Mini, man. Especially this one. So I can't believe I found it at this price. It's like it was calling my name. I had to do it, you know. There's the 22, right? Everyone's like, Jay, you get your Mini wrap? No, man. This is a brand new, pretty much brand new Mini. Look, the Mini trunk mat, got the Mini floor mats in the back and the front. There's the rear climate control back there, with 2 Type-C charge ports. Let me see if I can get a little closer, you guys. Right there, you can see them down there. Yep, the air's on, it's nice. Little control for the kids, cool. There's my seats for the kids. It just makes sense when you have 2 kids. It really just makes the most sense, you know. So I think it's going to be good for the channel, because I want to hear definitely what an exhaust on this thing sounds like. Obviously, it's not going to compare to the R, but I think it's going to be a performer when we start putting a couple mods on it, seeing how it does on a tune and everything. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see that in the channel, just comment below. If not, place your comment too. You know, thumbs up this video if you did enjoy it. And I don't know. There's not much else to say. I guess I could show you guys the engine real quick while it's raining. 1, 2. Give me a sec, guys. So here's the engine. Put an intake obviously right here, right? Nice filter box there. Looks like it could do even Chilli. They have it for this car. Look, it's got a strut brace. You can put that in. Yeah, it's a little bit different from the 19. I mean, the whole front end, it just looks so much better. You guys have to admit. Some of it's close, some of it's not. There's the front mount intercooler right there. Look at those matrix LEDs, bro. They're super bright. I mean, they got the DRLs right there. Right here, see? It's freaking cool, dude. I don't know. I'm really a big fan of minis. Not everybody agrees, but I haven't had any issues with them so far, and I had 30,000 on that last mini, you know, almost 30,000 miles. This one only has 6,000, so that's a big difference. I just had to do it. And my wife and kids are definitely happy, so, you know, that's what matters, right? Okay. And I think that's going to cover everything, you guys. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. You want to see more of the Mini on the channel, let me know. I think this is an amazing, amazing red. Probably one of my favorite reds I've seen yet. Oh yeah, by the way, forgot to tell you, shout out to Certified Benz and Beamer, because they do all their cars with Clear FX ceramic protection. So it's basically like Ceramic Pro, but instead of coming once every year, you only have to do it, I think it's like once every 3 years. So it'll keep that same coat, that same shine. Like, as you guys can see this shine right here? I mean, yeah, really cool, really cool. Give me some ideas to put some wheels on here. I was looking at the Enki RV7s, I believe is what they're called. Not sure, but we'll see what happens. You know, sorry it's been a long time, you guys, since I've uploaded, but I did give you my reasoning in this video. And let me turn the camera around. Alright guys, hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button. You'll always be notified for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love, major blessings to everybody. Never hesitate for a damn thing. Always keep moving forward. Give it your absolute best. And live life the way you want to live it, man. Don't let anybody else tell you how to live it. Alright, y'all. This is Skylyfe Projects. We out.